Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. As China and India had been in long conflict with no use in having many talks, it looks like both countries are simultaneously deploying all sorts of aircrafts, missiles, and weapons near the border to tackle any unexpected situations. Even Pakistan is one more country which has joined China in other types of conflicts with India from other side. Even though India has inducted one of the most powerful and combat-proven Rafale fighters from France, there are few things to be prepared in order to handle and use this omni-role fighter to its fullest potential. As China and India conflict areas are near high altitudes, these fighters need few changes. One such change is the software upgrade which has been planned for the Scalp missile. The Scalp is an air-launched long-range deep strike missile which is designed to deal with pre-planned attacks against high-value fixed or stationary targets. Scalp has been part of UK's Royal Air Force and French Air Force and was used in the Gulf War. This Scalp missile has a range of approximately 560 km and is powered by Turbomeca Micro Turbo turbojet which produces 5.49 kN thrust. These missiles are now integrated on Saab Gripen fighter, Dassault Mirage 2000 and Dassault Rafale aircrafts. The missile weighs about 1300 kilograms and has a maximum body diameter of 48 centimeters and a wingspan of 3 meters. These missiles are mainly used to destroy the command, control and communications, the airfields, the ports and power stations, the ammunition storage, surface ships and submarines in port, and also the bridges and other high-value strategic targets. The Indian Air Force has got the French manufacturer to recalibrate the software of the Scalp missile to ensure it hits the targets up to 4,000 meters above the sea level. To be more precise, Indian Air Force Rafale can demolish targets located in mountains and high plateaus at 4,000 meters instead of previous calibration of 2,000 meters. The tweaking of the software has been done by the missile manufacturer MBDA. The Scalp is a unique weapon that has a fire and forget mechanism, and once it is launched, the cruise missile travels at a height of 100 to 130 feet from the ground, and this is to avoid the detection by enemy radars and jamming systems. Before approaching the target, the missile once again goes up to a maximum height of 6,000 meters and then drops on the high-value target to blow it. In addition to Scalp missile, the Rafale carries a beyond visual range air-to-air Meteor missile which has a range of 100 kilometers and also the Hammer precision guide ammunition. You can find more details on the Hammer and Meteor missile in one of my videos, for which I have provided the link in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video. We know that India is going to get the next batch of Rafale fighters post 2021 Republic Day, and these aircrafts would be arriving India via a non-stop travel by mid-air refueling. It is said that the mid-air refueling would be taken care by UAE Air Force Airbus A330 multi-role tanker aircraft. So this was a quick update on Indian Air Force plan to tweak the software of Scalp missile to make sure it performs as expected in high terrains. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.